Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titi, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how I make my corn pudding or Ukpo-Oka or cornmoimoi, and you can also call it Ekusu. Yes, Ekusu. So let's dive into it. For the rest of the ingredients, I have my corn, fresh corn. I've prepped it, as you can see, and it's so fresh and so soft. So I have my dry prawns, I have my crayfish, yellow pepper. If you have red pepper, you can put onions, a lot of onions. I love onions, but if you don't, you can put small. Then the leaf, I went ahead to blend it with my blender. So my blender is quite a heavy duty, we say, but if you don't have a heavy duty blender, you can make do on what you have. Just add water and use the pause sign to blend it. So don't blend it smooth, just blend it a little bit, not quite smooth, not quite rough. I don't know whether if you get what I'm saying. So but on this video you see the consistency. After blending it, I just turn it into a bowl to blend others. So the second one, I'll be adding the chili pepper because I was not having the red pepper, so that's why I added the chili pepper. So this is it. I blended everything. I don't know whether if you can see the consistency. I went ahead to mix everything together. So I added my seasoning. I mixed and added small water. I used the blender. So I mixed it again. After that, I went ahead to add my red oil. So after adding it, I mixed it again. Something toxic holding under me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing using irresistible light. You said you in the air is all that I needed. After that, I added my dry prawns. I have rinsed it and used my hand to cut it into two. So I mixed everything together, and I also test for seasoning or salt. So in case I don't normally use salt, but if you do, please do use salt. Okay. So after that, I bring my, I don't know the name of this leaf, but I use it to wrap it. So just watch and see what I'm doing to follow and know how to wrap it. Is quite easy. It's just like, making it as if you are making a cone and then folding it as if you are folding a cone. So that's basically what I did here. But if you don't know how to use this leaf, if you don't know how to wrap it, you can as well use your nylon or anything you use in cooking your moi-moi. So but I just try it and see, and it elevates the flavor. So that's it. So I scoop 2 of this spoon to it, then just look at it and follow how I close it up. So this is it. So after wrapping everything up, I went ahead to set my pot. As you can see, I used the cone and used the leaf to press it to balance it. So basically that's what I did. After that, I pressed it in the pot. So this is it. I arranged it very well in the pot, and I used the leaf to cover the top before adding water. to the pot. So you don't want to add a lot of water to it, just a little bit. Then you cover it and allow it to steam for 30 to 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, our corn pudding is ready. So you just allow it to cool down before enjoying it. So this is it. So our yummiest corn pudding. Try it like this and thank me later. You won't ever regret doing it, okay? Just enjoy it. And this is the season of good corn, so just try it and see. It's so easy to make, so yummy, so delicious. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let the comment flow in. I will respond to all your comments and all your questions. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Thank you. So try it and see and give me feedback. Thank you for watching one more time. So like, subscribe, share, save. So thank you. Bye. See you on my next video.